Today's lesson is all about Polygon. Newer coins are sometimes disregarded in a market with over 5,000 cryptocurrencies, each with its unique set of values and financial policies. Polygon's Matic, on the other hand, stands apart. Matic, Polygon's native currency, was launched in late 2017 and is now among the top 15 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, having increased by more than 30% this week despite other crypto prices plunging in an industry-wide decline. Polygon's scope goes beyond simply becoming another digital asset. For starters, it is a Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum that aims to improve the network's transaction processing speed, while simultaneously lowering transaction prices, often known as gas fees. Furthermore, Polygon is a framework on which developers may construct their own sovereign blockchains and disruptive applications, aided by a set of powerful modules that allow the deployment of interconnected blockchain networks with easily adjustable functionality. To comprehend Polygon's goal and how it intends to create a borderless future for the blockchain sector, we'll first look at how the network works and what distinguishes it from hundreds of other projects. These are some basic information. Now it's time to know about Polygon briefly. What is Polygon? Polygon, previously Matic Network, is a blockchain scalability platform and framework for connecting and constructing Ethereum-compatible blockchain networks. Because one of Polygon's key aims is to aggregate scalable solutions to support a multi-chain Ethereum environment, the network also refers to itself as Ethereum's Internet of Blockchains. The Polygon connectivity is Ethereum native, designed to be interoperable with all of Ethereum's current and future infrastructures, while also providing a foundation for compatibility with other Layer 2 solutions, sidechains, and sovereign blockchains. As a result, the Polygon network is classified as a Layer 2 aggregator, with the goal of creating a multi-chain ecosystem of Ethereum-compatible blockchains with greater interoperability. A Layer 2 solution is a structure placed on top of the base chain to relieve tension and supplement its fundamental pain locations. Polygon is a plasma-based aggregator and Layer 2 solution for Ethereum that provides a platform for developing off-chain decentralized programs, dApps, with enhanced security, scalability, and performance. The Plasma framework is one of the key advancements driving the widespread adoption of blockchain technology. Polygon seems to have its own Plasma implementation, called as Polygon Plasma Chains. Polygon Plasma Chains, in addition to providing a foundation for dApps, allow transactions to be offloaded from the main blockchain into subsidiary chains for cheaper and faster transactions. Polygon Network also has a native token, Matic, which is currently trading at $2.35 and has a market worth of $16.1 billion, making it the 14th largest cryptocurrency. Matic has a maximum quantity of 10 billion coins, with a circulating supply of around 6.87 billion coins, or approximately 63% of the maximum supply. Matic is a utility token for Polygon that is used to power the network. It serves as the network's primary transactional currency as well as a financial incentive for individuals who wish to contribute to the ecosystem. It is also utilized as collateral in a procedure known as staking, which allows users to validate transactions using Polygon's consensus mechanism in exchange for Matic tokens. How does Polygon work? Polygon intends to turn Ethereum into a full multi-chain system, or Internet of Blockchains, comparable to ecosystems like Polkadot and Cosmos, but with the added benefits of Ethereum's solid protocol and security. Initially, the ecosystem was known as Matic Network, a modest scaling solution based on Plasma technology that allowed transactions to be processed at cheaper gas fees. Polygon has subsequently evolved into a more complicated platform dedicated to the development and deployment of fully interoperable blockchains. Using Polygon's expanding collection of modules, developers can launch preset networks with customizable features that can be further tweaked to match their needs. Polygon blockchains are based on its proof-of-stake sidechain, which uses a network of validators off the blockchain and subsequently finalizes transactions on Ethereum's main chain. This can significantly reduce the load on the main blockchain, resulting in less network congestion, better transaction speeds, and lower gas prices. The Polygon network mainly supports two kinds of chain: standalone chains, which are self-sovereign blockchains on the Matic chain and compatible with Ethereum. Secured chain, which strengthens its security by deploying a network of experienced validators. Polygon provides a variety of scaling architectures for Ethereum, including the Matic chain and Plasma chain, both of which are already in use at the time of this video. The network is implementing additional scaling infrastructure to assist prepare Ethereum for mass adoption. Polygon's most reliable scaling algorithms are designed to increase the transaction throughput of the Ethereum network, without compromising the network's security or user interface. Experts believe that this will provide a solution for delayed blockchain transactions while maintaining the decentralized nature of the network. A substantial update to optimistic rollups is scheduled for release in the near future. Polygon is actively exploring profitable scaling solutions. Polygon, on the other hand, is unlike most large blockchain projects in that it does not have a roadmap with specific completion dates because the project will technically never be completed. Due to the rapid advancement of blockchain technology, new scaling solutions will be regularly developed for Layer 2 aggregators. This is why Polygon is prepared to introduce new mainnets, such as optimistic rollups and Validum chains, in the near future. Roots of Polygons. Polygon, formerly known as Matic Network, was launched in October 2017 by India's first crypto billionaires, Jayanti Kanani, Sandeep Nailwal, and Anurag Arjun. Polygon was created by the three original co-founders to address the concerns connected with Ethereum's high gas fees and congested network, as detailed in the protocol's original white paper. Polygon's decentralized, multidisciplinary staff is led by the founding three. Kanani is acting CEO, as well as Mihailo Bjelic, who joined the company shortly after it was rebranded to Polygon and became the fourth co-founder. Polygon has also formed alliances with Decentraland, Chainlink, and MakerDAO. Mark Cuban, the wealthy owner of the Dallas Mavericks, is among its investors. Polygon, as a decentralized, worldwide team, enables like-minded individuals to contribute to their vision of a borderless society. By joining the Developer Support Program, developers can begin contributing to the core protocol or creating their own dApps. Challenges for Polygon in future. It's difficult to predict the future of a Layer 2 project like Polygon. One option is to consider the contest for the best interoperability solution in the Bitcoin industry. Cosmos Network Stargate and Polkadot are the Polygon network's main competitors. Polygon has recently received a lot of attention because its native currency, Matic, outperformed most major coins during the May market meltdown and again this week when the majority of the crypto market fell. Matic has been one of the most profitable cryptocurrencies in 2021, beginning the year at $0.0178 on January 1, 2021, and climbing to an all-time high of $2.62 on May 18, garnering more attention among crypto investors. If everything goes well for the network. As many coin researchers and experts predicts that Matic prices could rise to $50 in the next 5 years. Institutional interest in Polygon is also growing, with transactions exceeding $1 million accounting for around 65% of daily stablecoin transaction volume on Polygon, according to a June data analysis. Because of lower gas rates and speedier transactions, Ethereum native DeFi protocols are also migrating to Polygon. Kyber Network has announced the commencement of the Rainmaker liquidity mining program on Polygon, while Aave is giving more than $85 million in liquidity rewards for its Polygon markets. Polygon also announced the addition of Filecoin to the network, which would provide free storage for developers and speed up Web 3.0 compatibility between the Polygon and Filecoin ecosystems. In June, daily transactions on the Polygon network reportedly climbed by nearly 400%. Polygon is currently surpassing Ethereum in terms of daily transactions, with 3.5 million transactions on Polygon versus 1.2 million transactions on the Ethereum blockchain at the time of this video. However, with Polkadot and Cosmos Network each building their own protocol, the competition for the most robust interoperability solution remains tight. A genuinely decentralized world without digital borders, in which people may freely exchange value on a global scale without the need for any third-party mediators or gatekeepers, is what Polygon envisions for the future of computing. A worldwide ecosystem without technology or brand-related divides is required for the blockchain industry, in which all blockchain networks can share information without any friction.